Is Phoenix a good place to purchase an investment property? Well, whether you're looking to purchase a property for short-term rentals or long-term rentals, there are definitely pros to doing so. When thinking about a short term rental, I want you to really consider the tourism that Phoenix sees, especially during our busiest months where the weather is the best, typically February through May. We have many things that happen here in Phoenix, two popular events being the Waste Management Open and then spring training, which happens over a long period of time, and tons of people travel to the area to see some games. Not to mention, Phoenix has definitely become a hotspot for bachelorette and bachelor parties. So, again, short term rentals do really well in areas like Scottsdale, Phoenix, and Tempe. Long term rentals also do well here because many neighborhoods throughout Phoenix are very tenant friendly. The decision between purchasing a property for short term rentals or long term rentals is completely up to you. It depends on your goals as you build out an investment portfolio. One thing to keep in mind is that not all properties can do both, especially when looking at like condos or townhomes. There's going to be more regulations, and a long term tenants may be required for homes like that, whereas more single family homes will have the flexibility to be a vacation rental. But that all depends, and we do have to look into HOA regulations, and that's something that your real estate agent can definitely help you do as you explore opportunities. I have included a link below so that you can search for single family homes that are currently listed for rent in the Phoenix metro area. This will allow you to see what rents are going for right now in different areas. For the sake of browsing ease, you'll be looking at long term rentals and single family homes. If you want to take a closer look at vacation rentals or short term rentals, just reach out to me directly and I can get you those numbers as well. One thing to keep in mind with interest rates the way that they are right now at this current time, if you are investing in a property, it's important to know that you may not be making a ton of money month to month. So if you are looking to purchase an investment property, make sure that you are thinking about the long-term appreciation and the other long-term benefits of owning a property. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out. My contact information is below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any videos, and I will see you guys again next time.